I've come with empty hands tonight, with fading dreams and weary eyes. The world has taken all I own, but still I bring what is my own. No gold to give, no strength to show, just trembling faith, the pain has grown. And in this stillness I can hear His gentle whisper drawing near. Ye shall offer up to me, not wealth, not fame, not victory, but all your wounds, your tears, your scars. Your broken heart is who you are, and I will heal what you can't see, if you will lay it all at my feet. Bring me your sorrow, bring me your part, your sacrifice, a broken heart.
The altar waits, the fire's low.
The only gift my soul can show. The ashes rise, the shadows fade, as mercy covers what I've made. He takes the pieces stained and small and makes them whole. He takes it all. No other gift could prove my love than yielding what I once dreamt of. Ye shall offer up to me, not strength, not pride, but honesty. Bring every tear, bring every scar. Your broken heart is who you are, and in that pain you'll find my peace. In shattered souls my grace increased. Bring me your sorrow, bring me your part, your sacrifice, a broken heart. I will not turn my face away from those who kneel and choose to stay. For every wound I bled the same. Your broken heart I bore its pain. And when you fall I'll lift you high. Your tears are jewels in my eyes. No loss is wasted, no prayer denied. Your heart is where my love abides. Ye shall offer up to me your soul in sweet humility. Though torn apart, though dark the night, your broken heart will find the light. And in my hands I'll make you new. I'll mend your heart, I'll dwell in you. This is the gift, the holiest part, the sacrifice of a broken heart.